Hi, what's up guys, welcome back to One Misco. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create Discord gaming channel community. So let's do it. First of all, you need to go on a browser and search here Discord, DISCORD. Now click on the enter button. Now you can see that the first website is discord.com. Just click on that. Now we can download here Discord app for PC, or we can do it on a browser. I'm gonna show you on browser how to do that. Now click on the open Discord in your browser, and we can select here our username. I'm gonna create my gaming channel Discord, so I'm gonna type here YT Gaming. That's it. Now click on the arrow button, and we should prove here that I'm human. Just click on that, and here say that click on the center of the colors node. I'm gonna click that and click on the next button and do sham. Just click on the verify option. That's it, I'm done. Sorry, here is some buffering for my internet issues. Yep, now you can see that here I need to put my date info. I'm gonna click here my date info. You can do yourself, and click on the next button. Now you can select here your nights or create my own. I'm gonna click here gaming, and it's for me and my community, so I'm gonna click on the club or community. Now you can keep it there and upload your profile here. I don't need to upload profile now. Just click on the create button. That's it. Take to my server. Now we need to finish our signing, so put your email here. I'm gonna put here contact, that your pick, sip@gmail.com, and put your password here. I'm gonna put my password and click on claim my account. That's it. So we can download here desktop application, or we can go here. So guys, if you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button, and let's see you in the next videos.